Learn about Statistical Process Control, SPC, and its top applications. With rising demand and dwindling natural resources, today's manufacturers confront more hurdles.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Than ever before. This is where SPC comes into play. SPC charts are now used by businesses worldwide as critical tools for monitoring, improving process control, and even with project quality management guide. Its primary advantage is that it sets the operator firmly in charge of quality. Another significant benefit is that it allows operators to discern if a process is slipping out of bounds before faulty hardware is produced, allowing defect avoidance rather than discovery. SPC lets the individuals know if they're creating conforming goods and intervenes if processes start to stray out of control. Background of Statistical Process Control. SPC has been around for over a century, which might be surprising. Dr. William Stewart of Bell Laboratories researched in 1924 to find ways to improve product quality while cutting prices, laying the cornerstone for statistical process control. He designed the control chart to see if a process was under control or out of control. In 1939, he wrote, "Statistical Method from the Perspective of Quality Control." During World War II, the U.S. military depended significantly on SPC to monitor product quality in weapons and explosives without jeopardizing safety. Unfortunately, when the war ended, SPC was no longer used. Why use statistical process control? Today's manufacturing firms are up against ever-increasing competition. At the same time, the cost of raw materials continues to rise. These are elements that, for the most part, businesses have no control over. As a result, companies must focus on what they can control, their processes. They must aim for lasting quality, efficiency, and cost-cutting improvements. Unfortunately, many businesses still rely on post-production inspection to uncover quality flaws. The SPC method is used to transition a company's quality controls from detection to prevention. The operator can notice trends or changes in the process before they result in non-conforming products by monitoring the performance of the process in real time.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.